presenting a reliable and consistent safety IV catheter from a trusted and experienced manufacturer. Harsoria Healthcare has developed a passive safety IV catheter that delivers unmatched convenience and ease of use, combined with best-in-class product features and our trademark batch-to-batch consistency. This newly launched device conforms to the requirements of the United States OSHA's Needle Stick Safety and Prevention Act, as well as European Council Directive 2010-32 EU on the prevention of sharp injuries. This device, when used correctly and as per the manufacturer's instructions for use, eliminates the risk of needle stick injury to healthcare professionals, a common risk associated with the use of conventional IV catheters. Thus, this device protects healthcare professionals against various blood-borne pathogens such as HIV and hepatitis B or C. Now, we shall demonstrate the insertion technique for the NewSafe Safety IV catheter, which is almost identical to that for a conventional IV catheter. The device has an ultra-sharp triple-facet beveled needle for quicker and relatively painless penetration into the skin and through the subcutaneous tissue at the selected site of insertion. The Safety IV catheter, ranging from 15 degrees to 35 degrees, providing flexibility to the user. Precision engineering involved at every stage of the manufacturing process ensures that the device has a smoothly tapered tip closely approximated to the needle edge. Additionally, the distance between the catheter tip and the needle bevel, also called heel distance, is maintained within a very narrow range to eliminate risk of catheter foldback and insertion failure. These product features maximize the chances of a painless, smooth and foolproof insertion with minimal patient discomfort and tissue damage. To enable first stick success, the device incorporates a transparent flashback chamber in which presence of blood indicates successful venipuncture. Additionally, the visualization of blood in the catheter shaft verifies that the device has been placed successfully in a peripheral vein. Once the catheter is advanced completely into the peripheral vein, the needle is withdrawn in a smooth continuous motion while maintaining digital pressure distal to the insertion site. The safety clip encapsulated in the hub or body of the catheter is automatically and passively activated once the needle is withdrawn out of the catheter. The clip covers the needle tip completely before it even exits the catheter body. Thus, prior to the needle presenting any risk of needle stick injury, its tip is automatically and irreversibly encased in the safety clip. This eliminates the risk of accidental needle stick to healthcare professionals. Additionally, the activation of the safety mechanism renders the device unavailable for accidental reuse. The miniaturized design of the safety feature ensures that this device is virtually identical to conventional IV catheters. Hence, no or minimal user training is required prior to device use. The NewSafe Safety IV cannula is also available in a model with injection port and wings. The port in this model may be used for administration of IV bolus injections in addition to the infusion line with the use of a syringe and without the use of a needle. The integrated valve inside the injection port is activated upon attaching the syringe and allows flow of the bolus injection while preventing backflow of blood or fluid. The wings allow for easy and convenient fixation with an IV fixator for the NewSafe Safety IV catheter.